The President directed Congress to prioritize the following proposed legislative measures: Anti-Dynasty Bill, Independent People's Commission Act, Party List System Reform Act, Citizens Access and Disclosure of Expenditures for National Accountability or CADENA Act, to institutionalize transparency and accountability on public finance. In a LEDAC meeting this morning, the President also instructed both houses to take a closer look at the four bills and prioritize the passage as soon as possible. Present during the LEDAC were Senate President Vicente Soto III, House Speaker Faustino D. III, and Majority Leader Sandro Marcos and other congressional leaders. The LEDAC also agreed on the timeliness, or rather timelines, for the passage of the General Appropriations Bill and the submission of the enrolled bill for the President's signature. Thank you.